Hey now, Mike Shamon here, and today I'm just going to build a simple landing page. It's going to be something that's going good, but it is going to be a simple landing page. I'm going to be using the Divi theme, and I just did an add new page and added a row and text right now, and now I will just begin adding with some lorem. All right, we're going to do a title. All right, so this will be our title. And we're just going to go to the design tab and do some text. Alright, and we're just going to make it bold. We're going to increase the font size. Make it black. And we're going to do the line height. Center. Alright, and then we'll put a little shadow. Alright, and we maybe make this, maybe we'll make this red. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and we'll add some more text. Alright. We're just going to change the font size and the font. I like to do 18 at least, but this one's going to be probably 24 maybe. 24 looks good. Change it to black. Alright, and then we will center this text as well and put the line height on here. 1.2. Okay. And then what we're going to do now is we are going to make another module, and this is going to be the email opt-in. Email opt-in. Alright, so I'm just going to get the report now. Okay, this is going to go bye-bye. This is going to go bye-bye. Alright, and then we're just going to go to the email account. You put your email account in right here. I use GetResponse for mine. I use GetResponse, so you can select your list there, but put that in on your own time. For this example, I'm not going to go through right now. If you want the name field in there, yes or no. Success action, this is where you want it to go. I usually go to a URL and then point them to that URL. Alright, for background, I do no background, but I'm going to wait to change that because I want to do this stuff first. For layout, I want to go to body on top. There you go. And then actually I'm going to go body on the bottom. Alright, and then for the fields, I'm going to do, actually I'm going to go down to the button. For the button, I'm going to use a custom style. Just going to put it up a little bit here. 34. I'm going to do white text. And then for the background color, I'm going to do, we'll do orange. Okay, and then for the border radius, I don't want any border radius, border width, none. Let's see, I'm just going to go here, the font like that. And then we will put a little button shadow on here. Okay. Alright, and actually, you know what? We will do a border width at 1. Border width at 1. Be black. Okay. And then go back to the background and trash that. Actually, just make it white or transparent. Okay, now for the fields, let's see. Fields. width is going to be 1. Alright. Now we can put this one on top. And all I'm going to do is just go to settings here and go design. And actually I'm going to go to background. Make this background white. Okay. I'm going to design and border. I'm going to make it 3 pixels. Just go 5. Alright. And then I'm going to go back here to this background. I'm going to change this color. Alright. And then I will actually extend the background a little bit to go to design and spacing. Actually sizing. And I'll go to height 100%. And then I will go to spacing on the bottom padding. I'm just going to go to make it a big amount. Alright. There's a cool little landing page right there. Now if you wanted to add something to it like an image, you could do that. And just add an image in there. Like this one. Alright, now if it's too big, you just want to go to sizing again. Bring it down. Align it center. Alright. Now you could always replace that with a video if you want to do it on this page. Alright, you could put that there. I think I actually already have a video in here maybe. Let's see here. Yeah, there's a little video. Alright. So that's a cool little landing page right there that you can make very easily. It didn't just take us that long to make that one. If you want to get more landing pages and find out how to do some more cool things, check out diviplanet.com. You get 5 free landing pages there. And check out MikeShamon.com for any other tutorials and my YouTube channel there. So, alright. Hope you enjoy this tutorial, and hope you enjoy the Divi Builder. If you need Divi, get that below as well. See you on the next video.